Hi, I'm from Mauritius. It's been 2 years that I've been diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. And after being diagnosed, I've been taking allopathy medications for 6 months, where I've myself decided to stop it because dealing with the autoimmune disease was one thing and dealing with the side effects of the medications was another disease in itself. So after that, I didn't take any medications, but life was becoming difficult with all the joint pains, knee pain. I couldn't do my daily activities. Brushing my teeth was becoming difficult. So it was becoming an alarming situation at home because not even being able to lift my glass of water and drink. So that was really, like, I would say, miserable. And definitely with the support of the family, my husband, so it was easier for me to get my everyday things done. But for myself, it was becoming difficult at such a young age and getting all these. Because I've not been able to do any activities, like physical activities, so I started putting on weight, and this has predominantly worked against me rather than helping me, because with the medication itself I started gaining weight, and it was becoming more difficult for me to stand up for like 5 minutes, sit. If I was in a position, it would be difficult. I had some mobility issues as well. In the morning I would wake up with some serious stiffness in my hands, feet, knees, and I could even see my skin darkening after some time. And so I've been advised by some doctors back in Mauritius to come here, and he has settled the communications between me and Dr. Zankana Bush. Had advised me to come for a month here. In the very start, it was going to be difficult because a month, I've never been through any Ayurvedic treatment. So in my mind, it was something completely different to what I've been doing here. I've been here for a month now, and I must say that I had some great shivering in my hands. Now my hand doesn't shiver at all. I have some ease in walking, like climbing the stairs no more scares me, and even going down the stairs does not scare me anymore. And yeah, so there has been some great improvements, like in my whole body, right? Yeah. Actually, when you compare Ayurveda to another hospital where there are some another hospital where allopathy treatment are given, it's completely different here because you feel more at home. Even the amenities, the facility, you're just not staying on a bed whole day, so you get to go out, you stay here, they give you your food on time. Everything is not, I would say, not make you feel that you're staying in a hospital where you can watch TV, you can do anything you feel like. And the physiotherapists come here, do your exercises, which have helped me much. That's Dr. Gitanjali from AyurVAID. She has helped me a lot with the movements, the mobility, and definitely the other doctors as well. Dr. Vimarsha, Dr. Amruta, Dr. Santra, Dr. Harita. And they have been a great team helping us. Like every morning, I know because of the time difference, I couldn't wake up early. And they were here even in my sleep, coming to check on me, take the blood pressure, the sugar test and everything, give me the tablets in bed. And you don't feel actually a patient there, but rather a family member in their whole family, because that's how they made us feel. Even the therapists, the girls, they were very understanding, and I'm not a very easy patient, so they were very understanding and took time to walk me through the treatment first, because I was always asking them, why are we doing that? I wasn't very comfortable with the name, so I couldn't actually understand why we were doing that. And that's completely different. I've been always during my entire life, doing all the allopathy treatments, and this was completely different. And you can see that some people would say that taking medications, that okay, I'm taking like a Doliprane and I'm fine in a day because that gives you immediate relief. Actually, this one does magic to you rather than immediate relief, because I think it's been 2 weeks back, the doctor came to do how do you call that? an update of my improvements. So I was able to do some squats, which I've never been able to do 2 years back. Like in the morning, I tried lifting a chair. So it was like my parents were impressed because I couldn't actually even lift a glass of water like I mentioned earlier. So now you can see actually the improvements in my movements, my everyday life actually. I feel good about myself. It gives you another level of confidence where you are able to, do your own things by yourself, because I've always been an independent person. So I like doing my things on my own. Nevertheless, my parents and everyone, my husband, everyone is here to help me. But doing, the satisfaction that you get when you're doing your things by yourself, the cooking, peeling of vegetables, everything was a nightmare for me. Even like, the very first thing that you do in the morning, like brushing your teeth, that was a nightmare. Everyone should come and put the toothpaste in my toothbrush, hold the toothbrush for me and brush my teeth. That was like not easy for me to digest in the first 2 years, but I'm able to actually open my own bottle of water, pour it in a glass and drink it by myself. So that might be very little for some people, but for me it's like, a real change, and I feel very happy about it. I have no words to say that. Yeah. And I feel beautiful actually, doing my own things, living my own life the way I want, because I can do my things on my own. It's not that I don't require the help of anyone that makes me happy, no. It's just that I can do other things and I can help others actually. Even like, giving a bath to my dogs was difficult because of the movements of my fingers, but now I can. I'm sure that I can when I go back. I'm sure that I'll be able to do my things on my own. Even at work, I was like, when I was taking the allopathy medications, I was like a living vegetable. I was sleeping 21 hours on 24 hours a day. So I was sleeping, I was waking up in the morning, my husband would help me brush my teeth, help me shower, get back in bed, eat, get back in bed, wake up at 2, 3, eat again, get back in bed, and then I would wake up at 7, eat again, get back in bed and sleep again. So I was sleeping minimum 21 hours a day. So I couldn't do anything. I was feeling useless, doing nothing. Yeah, but now I can actually like live a normal life. Yeah, and that's what's more important. I would definitely recommend AyurVAID to so many people, even not only those suffering from autoimmune disease, because they have all sorts of treatments from what I've been seeing, all sorts of patients coming in, and that smile that they wear on their face while moving out of the hospital actually boosts us every day, because I wanted to be in their place, have that smile and leave. And I actually today, on the eve of me leaving Bangalore, an AyurVAID hospital, I have that smile on my face. I feel happy. I just met Dr. Zankana and told her how happy and grateful I am to AyurVAID Hospital for the new life that they've given me. They say a mother gave you a life, but I would say, yes, my mother gave me the life, and my dad as well. And but the hospital gave me a new life. Yeah. And I'm really happy today.